Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 3.3 and our topic is to find the square root by the long division method. See, I have already told you how to find out the square root using prime factorization method. Now today we'll do how to find the square root by long division method. So here I have taken one example for you. Please student, this is the new topic for you all. So pay attention and listen carefully that what we have to do in these steps. So the first step, what will be the first step? The first step will be you have to make pairs. Make pairs from right. You have to make pairs from right side. What does it mean? As it is a long division method, so obviously we have to divide. Just make a pair column like this. Now write the number 703921. What I told you in the first step, you have to make pairs from the right side. So starting from the right, pairs means two numbers you have to take. This is the right side. So this is one pair, this is two pair, and this is the third pair. For your convenience, let me tell you, if there are even numbers, then you will get two pairs as usual. And if there are odd numbers, suppose if there would be 7 numbers, I'm taking one example, or suppose there will be 5 numbers, correct? 4, 5, 8, 9, 6. Now there are 5 numbers. Now start making the pair from the right. So when you will make a pair from right, so in last you will left with only one. So no need to be panic. You can left with only one also, but if there are even, then you will get two pair as I got here. And if it is even, then you will get pair like this. But always remember, you have to start making pairs from the right. Now let's start. What will be our first step? As it is a square root, correct? So we have to take a squares number only. What? Take square numbers. Take square only numbers. Take square numbers only. How to take a square number? See, this is 70 over here, correct? Now whatever the number we will take, that should be less than 70 and there should be a square of a number. So 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64 and 9 nines are 81. See, 8 eights are 64 is smaller than 70, but 9 nines are 81 is greater. So what we will take? 8 eights are 64. I hope it is clear this step. Now you will subtract. Now after subtraction, what we will get here? You will get here 6 and 39 you will copy from upside. Remember, as it is a pair, so pair numbers only has to be copied. Now what is the next step? Next step will be in this number, the number by which you are dividing. In that number you will add the same number, these two numbers, divisor and this quotient. You both will add these. Add these means add quotient and divisor. How? This is 8, this is 8. So add 8 here only. So what you will get here? 16. Now see, 16 you got here. Now again you have to take a square number only. So see how to take a square number. Fourth step will be again take a square number. Again I am explaining you, beta, you have to take that number in which you will get a square number of this. See, at last here is 9. So no need to take, because 3 3s is 9, but it is not necessary that 3 3s is 9 is completely divisible by 163. So you have to take a number in that way, so that this 639 may get less number than that. So how to take? See, I am showing you here. 116. 16 is already there. So let us take as 3 only. So 3 3. Whatever number you will take here, same number you will take here, remember. So 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3 and 4. This is a smaller. Let us try for 4 also. 4 4s are 16, correct? 1 carry, 6 4s are 24 and 125, 4 1s are 4, 6. This is 654. See, 654 is greater than 639, but 489 is smaller than 639. So what we will take? We will take here 3s are 489. I hope it is clear till here. Now see this 3, first of all let us subtract. 9 minus 9 will be 0 and 13 minus 8 will be 5 and 5 minus 4 will be 1. I hope it is clear. So now let us start the next. Next you have to copy this 21. Now see 3 and 3. So what is the next step? Next step to add it. So what you will get here? 1 6. 3 and 3 will be 6. Now see the last number, because this is the last, so obviously this has to be cancelled fully. Now see the last. Just write the number here like this, 166, and you have to get a 15021. In which square root number you get 1? So let's check. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. So you get for 9. So just check for 9. 9 9s are 81, 9 6s are 54. 54 and 8, 62. 6 carry. 9 6s are 54. 54 or 6. 54 or 6, 60. 9 1s are 9 and 15. You get here 15021, and here it is also 15021. So 9 you will write here, and again 9 you will write here. So this will be 15021, and the square root of 703,921 will be 839. Correct? I hope you all remember it. Once again I'll explain you, then I'll tell you the next few questions. So first step is make a pairs from right. Correct? If it is even, then you will get 2 pairs only. If it is odd, then one number will left in the left hand side alone. So let's take the square root number. 8 8 is 64. Now whatever number here you have taken, here you will add, here you will get 16. Now 70 minus 64 will be 6, and this 39 has to be copied. Now 163 plus 3 will be 1669. Correct? When you subtract it, you will get 150, and from upside you will copy 21. As I told you, the number should be multiplied. So 9 9s are 81, because this is the last step and there should be 0. So what I did, now 169 is here. So 169, 9s are here. I have done the multiplication. So 15021 and so on. Now suppose if it is not getting cancelled here and still there are numbers. So what you would have done? You would have done is like that, 1669. Next step, add 9 only. Na? Remember, 9 9 18. So 617, 1678, and whatever the number you will take a square number, just multiply in the next step. I hope it is clear to all. Now coming to the questions for these topics only, let us start. The first one from the exercise, find the square root of the following using numbers by long division method. So 9604, the number I have taken, I have made the pair from the right. So 9 9s are 81. So 5 will be, 15 will be the remainder, and 04 we will copy. As I told you, same number you have to add. So 18. Now 4 is there at the last. So 2 2s are 4 and 8 8s are 64. So either you can take 2 also and check like this, 182 into 2, or you can take 8 also and you can check. So I have taken 8. So 188 8 is 1504. And the remainder is 0, and so the square root of 9604 is 98. So this is our answer. Coming to the next, first of all, first step, make the pairs. See, now this is the even odd numbers. So see, 2 pairs, 2 pair, and 1 is left alone. So 1 1s are 1, 1 is left alone now. So 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. You can't take because 4 will be greater than 1. Correct? 1 1s are 1. Now 1 minus 1 will be 0. So this will be 0 here. So 25 will be copy as it is. 1 plus 1 we will add. So here it will be 2. Now 2. 2 2s are 22. 2s are will be 44. That would be greater than 25 to 21. 1s are 21. So here you will left with 4. And this 44 you will copy. 21 and 1 will be added. So 22. Now 22 2s are will be 444. This will get cancelled, and so the square root will be 112. Coming to the next is, again make a pairs like this. So 1 1s are 1. Correct? Same thing, 2 2s are 4 will be greater. Now 1 plus 1 2. Now 9s I have taken. So 29 9s will be 261. Again add that number only. 29 and 9 will be 38, and 2s are 382. 2s will be 764. The square root will be 192. Coming to the next, 783225. Make a pairs. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 91 will be greater. Now 8 and 8 16. Now 16 8s I have taken. So 16 8s will be 1344. See students, again I am telling you, while you are taking and multiplying these numbers over here, so remember, you cannot get the number once. You have to do the multiplication 2 and 3 times. Correct? Because I have already solved it, so I know what will come here. But when you are doing it yourself, so you have to see and check which number will come. Correct? So you have to do multiplications 2 or 3 times in order to get the number less than the given number. So the remainder will be 88. Now 168 plus 8, as I told you, you have to add these numbers. So that will be 176, and 176 5s will be 8825. So you have done the multiplication over here. I hope all of you understood these all questions. Now coming to the next is, I have copied it for you. Now Next question is this one. See, I have made the pairs and still 1 is left. So same thing, 1 ones are 1. So 1 and 1 will be 2. Now see, here it is only 0, 2. So 0, 2 doesn't come. It comes, but it comes only for 1. But already we have here 2. हमारे पास 2 है. So what we will do? 20 zeros are will be 0. Correct? We will take 0. So it will be 2. When you subtract it, you will get 2. And from here 41 will be copied. So 20 and 0 will be 20 itself. Now again 201 ones, because 202 twos will be greater, that will be 404. So ones will be 201. Correct? Now 201 plus 2 will be 202. Subtracted, you will get here 40 and 44 will be copied from here, and 2022 plus 2s will be 4044. So the square root of this will be 1012. Students, these are the assignments for you all for today. Only 2 questions I have given you. Plus what you will do, watch the videos properly for the better understanding, and please copy just the questions and try to do the solutions yourself. And students, please remember that you all have to do each and every work explained in the videos, so that you could not face any problem at the last, because this work is not going to repeat again. Correct? I hope you all understood. Thank you all.